Good morning, students, and again, welcome back to our 2018-19 school year. The topic of our discussion this morning is going to be around behavioral expectations and discipline. So we expect all of our students to behave appropriately for the school setting. There are some behaviors that won't be tolerated in school and that could result in suspension, including fighting, bullying, weapons, alcohol, drugs, verbal assaults on any staff members. These offenses are going to have harsh consequences, whether it happens on or off campus, whether it's at your bus stop, whether it's at a sporting event or any other school-sponsored event. So please make sure that we make smart decisions as Titans and that we don't engage in any of these behaviors or activities. Students, we also expect for you to follow the classroom rules that your teachers set. First, this is a closed campus. And students, you cannot leave for lunch. You cannot leave for any reason unless you are signed out by a parent or guardian. And if you are caught leaving, you're going to be brought back and dealt with by administration. There's also no ordering any food to the building. So students, don't place any lunch orders, breakfast orders, or any other orders. The food will be turned away at the door. Make sure that you are attending only your assigned lunch period. Any students seen taking more than one lunch will immediately be escorted to ISS. And also, clean up after yourselves in the cafeteria, please. Make sure that when we call for the end of lunch that you get up, throw your trash out, and proceed back to class. We do have a limited cell phone use policy here at TC. This means that students, you can use your cell phones, not for calling, but for texting and anything else that you're doing on your phone that's appropriate in the hallways and the cafeteria. If you have earbuds or headphones, you have to keep one ear free at all times so that you can hear the directives of any adult or anybody around you. Dress code. Students, I know it's been hot lately, but we need to make sure that we are always dressed appropriately. Make sure that you have clothes that cover your body appropriately, and if you are asked by any staff members who believe that you may not be dressed appropriately, there are a few options. We are going to be able to get you some different clothing by giving you some gently used Titan gear that we have here at the school, or you may call home in order to get some more clothes. Finally, your ACPS buses. Please note you can only ride your assigned bus. Bus drivers are going to have student rosters that they will check, so don't try to board any bus that's not yours. You won't be allowed on. Again, our after-school buses on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Please make sure you know you're going to have a pass from a teacher. After this week, when we get our student IDs, students, you are going to be able to ride the Dash for free every day during the school year. So make sure that you always have your ID on you. Please make sure at this time, teachers, you discuss with students. Please clarify any questions that they may have and additionally answer any questions that they have about our available resources.